So remember, temptation is something that we all will face
Gisikrabu takma joni ko ancing plakan chagongen.
on this side of eternity.
Ya agar sako.
But when we get to the other side,
Di ba jen sala chi agar sako nirianga.
in the presence of God, there will be no sin.
Isulim kang ode pop dong
There
jawaha.
will be no power of sin.
Wang pop ni bel dong jawaha.
There will be no hold of sin over your life and my life.
Achini jangi ko rumna de pop ni bel dong jawaha.
But till then, we have to struggle with this
Di
reality.
ba ulu na sokla stan chi ya agar sako takut na nangkugin.
And so James says, when tempted, no one should say that God is tempting me.
Jacob ni aga na jen sala takma joni ko mana takma joni isolo ni onganim na aga na be.
You see, temptation does not come from God.
Nasong naka ya takma joni de isolo ni baja.
Anything that is wrong does not come from God.
Ancing mai ba ungi jani donga ya plakan isolo ni ongja.
Because God's character is good.
Mana isul ni cholon de namgapo ma.
And everything that He does is good.
Ari isole plak takan ni namgapo ma.
He may send trials our way.
Even basa ko batna takin yani na ko.
We may put them down.
Ancing jiko takja ko gupanang nakode ko ancing choni raska.
But what we forget is that all of us struggle with temptation in one way or the other.
Di ba ancing ni gwaran ni mayo ancing bagbatas mayo ancing ni takma joni ko de gwalong ska.
And so James very clearly tells us that each one of us has a different set of temptation.
Ni men der Jacob ra ngana ancing sakan tian ting tang takma joni ko chaglong ni donga.
And we must never look down on others because of our standard.
Ni men ancing sakapun ko mamang salba choni ra bai chonuk na be mai na ancing antang takon ni ate kita ungja china.
The ultimate standard that God has set for us is His Son.
Isul ni standard matsale uni depan de songa.
And the truth of the matter is that none of us can ever reach it.
Aro ancing sakan tian ibu tadong nadi manja.
It is only when God comes in our lives through and in the person of Jesus
Jena kung isol ancing no re ba wa chi sen ancing ndege una manaya.
that we stand complete in righteousness.
Aro wa chi sen ancing isol makang thoromi una mana.
I mentioned this the other day,
Nga tanggapan dia ko misok agan mana ha.
that our righteous acts are like filthy rags in the eyes of God.
Jikon dari thoromi nam ratsak na mana wan isol ni makang chadeng na manga bonga.
The best that you have to offer
Ancing na isol ni makang nama nampak ako nani ra.
is like a